supposed to be about, baby? Girl, free up your eyes, stop acting crazy.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this black and white screen pump effect on CapCut Pro. So first you're going to go to CapCut Pro and have your picture already out. So this is the picture I'm going to use. Now you're going to double tap on it and duplicate it. And you're going to carry the duplicated image underneath the first one. Now you're going to make this duplicated image smaller, as small as you want. And you're going to click on the filters effect and go to load and click mono. Now you're going to go to the wand. You're going to click plus and custom transition, and you're going to carry the transition towards the duration of your whole picture. Now you're going to go to the last image and you're going to zoom out, and you're going to click transparency 100. Also make this even type circular up. Now you're going to go to the first image and you're going to make transparency like in the middle. So I'm going to do like 47. I don't know. That should work. And now that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.